welcome back to Qaleel Master YouTube channel. This is your Qaleel Master Maths Expert. Today our topic is important objective type questions of progressions from 10th class, which is useful for Telangana state and also Andhra Pradesh. Let's start the class. Dear children, your first question is here. Which term of the arithmetic progression 24, 21, 18 and so on is the first negative term? And your options are given 8, 9, 10 and 12. Now we need to find which term is the first negative term. Let's come to the solution. Observe my dear students, here 24, 21, 18, it is in descending order. Obviously, it closes to 0 and also negative terms. So first we have to consider nth term of this progression is 0. Now, what is nth term? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So here you have to substitute, my dear. What is a first term? 24 plus n. Actually, we need to find n value, means in which place 0 is located. So here n minus 1 into d. What is the common difference? 21 minus 24. That is minus 3 is equal to 0. And then n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to, this 24 you send that side, it will become minus 24. Then after n minus 1 is equal to minus 24 divided by, here it is multiplying, minus 3. It will be divisible. Minus 3. Minus minus cancel. 3, 1, 3, 8. So here n minus 1 is equal to 8. Then n is equal to 8 plus 1. So nth value is 9. So ninth term. But my dear, this is not the correct answer. Here ninth term is the 0 value. Means if you take 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, if you continue this progression and finally in ninth place you will get 0. It means the next term will be minus 3. As we have minus 3 is the common difference, the next term will become minus 3, which is the first negative term. So here it will be the 10th term. So first negative term of this progression is 10th term, that is minus 3. So 10th term is the right option. Dear children, come to the second question. The second question is, the sum of first 100 natural numbers is 40, 50, 45, 00, 55, 00, 50, 50. My dear children, I would like to suggest you that whenever he asks sum of 100 natural numbers, without any calculation, simply you select 50, 50 is the right answer. Remember, my dears, how it is we shall discuss now. Sum of first 100 natural numbers is 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus and so on 100. And this can be done by the help of Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. You know very well this formula. Sum of n terms, if first term and last term is given, we can apply this problem, my dear. See here, what can you write? 100 divided by 2 into a plus l. That is 1 plus 100. So here 2, 1, 250. So 50 into 101. 1 plus 100, 101. If you multiply 50 ones are 50 upon 5, so that 5 can be taken as it is 0, 50 ones are 50. So here 50, 50 is the right answer. Like this we can calculate, my dear. Instead, I can suggest you one more method, that is sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula, my dear. You have to remember. Sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. I want sum of 100 natural numbers. So 100 into 100 plus 1, 101 divided by 2. Observe that you got the same value here. So what you will get? 50 into, because of it will be divisible, 50 into 101, which is equal to 50. Like this we can find, my dear. So sometimes he may ask the question like this. What is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? So easily we can do it. 10 into 11 by 2. So 2125. 5 11s are 55. In the same way, what is sum of 20 natural numbers? 20 into 21 by 2. So 210. 10 into 21. 210 will be the right answer. Like this, directly we can calculate, my dear. So this is very important problem. Remember. Now the third question is, in an arithmetic progression, fourth term is 11 and seventh term is 17. Then what is the common difference? And your options are given 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we need to find the solution, my dear. Let me explain. Here fourth term is given A4. Fourth term is 11. Here you can write. And seventh term is 17. Seventh term is 17. What is the fourth term, dear? A plus 3D equal to 11. And what is seventh term? A plus 6D is equal to 17. Now dear students, you better to solve these two. Means you have to subtract it. First you take A plus 6D is equal to 17. And then A plus 3D is equal to 11. Okay. Now you subtract it. Whenever you are going to subtract the equations, better to change the signs of the second equation. And A gets cancelled. 6 minus 3, 3. 3D is equal to 17 minus 11 is 6. 3D is equal to 6. Then D is equal to 6 divided by 3. So common difference is what? 2. So here he is asking common difference only. So what is the common difference? 2. D is the right option. That's it. Very simple, my dear. Now come to the fourth question. The fourth question is, if the common difference of an AP is 2, then what is the value of A10 minus A5? It means we need to find the difference between 10th term and 5th term, my dear. Now the options are given 5, 10, 2 and 20. Let us do the problem. A10 minus A5. What is A10, my dear? A plus 9D minus. What is A5? A plus 4D. Is it right, my dear, as I have written? Do you think that this is correct? No, my dear. Of course, formula is right here. A10, A plus 9D, A5, A plus 4D. But as we have negative sign in between, definitely you have to take here bracket. And then you have to continue. This is the right one. Now, A plus 9D minus A, minus into plus minus 4D. Then A gets cancelled. Plus A minus A. Next, 9D minus 4D. So 9 minus 4, 5. 5D is the answer. But one more, my dear, we don't have 5D here. So do you think that 5 is the right answer? Not like that, my dear. So here common difference is given, that you have to see 2. That 2 can be substituted here. 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. So 10 is the right option. Yes, we have. So B is the right answer. Hope you understand. We shall go for next question, my dear. DS. Fifth question is given that if A comma B comma C are in arithmetic progression, then what is the value of B? My dear students, here options are given A plus C by 2, A plus C, root AC and AC. So without any calculation, directly I will select b is equal to a plus c by 2. Yes, my dear. Why? Because this is a formula that is called as arithmetic mean. B is equal to a plus c by 2. This is the formula, my dear. If a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression, then b is equal to a plus c divided by 2. This is the formula you remember. How we got it? That we shall discuss now. Come to the point, my dear. Here, if a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression, we know that common difference is a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. You know very well this one. Now the common difference is taken. D is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. Now we shall take b minus a is equal to c minus b. Then b, this minus b will become plus b is equal to c. Send this a to that side, it will become plus a. Now b plus b is equal to 2b. C plus a or a plus c, both are same. So we can write a plus c also. Actually we need to find b value. Hence this 2 also you change to right side. Here a plus c divided by 2. Hence b is equal to a plus c by 2. Here that's why I have selected this option. So like this we need to calculate, my dear. Right? Yes. Come to the sixth question. If nth term of an AP is an is equal to 3 plus 2n, then what is the common difference? And options are given 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now observe here, my dear, an is equal to 3 plus 2n. First you find first term. To find first term, you need to substitute in place of n as 1. That is 3 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So here first term is 5. And then come to the second term. 3 plus 2 into 2. In place of n you substitute 2. And this 3 plus 2 as it is equal to 3 plus 2, 2, 4. So 3 plus 4, 7. And then is that necessary to find A3? No, my dear, A3 is not necessary. Why? Because here he has given that AN is equal to 3 plus 2n is in AP. And we need to find common difference. To find common difference, A2 minus A1. This difference is enough. Hence, here A2 we got it, A1 also we got it. So, common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. Now, D is equal to 7 minus 5. So, what is the answer, my dear? 2. Do we have the option? Yes, first one is the right one. 2 is the right answer. Hope you understand. Let's come to the next question. Dear children, we shall discuss now 7th and 8th problem. 7th problem is the common difference of an AP x minus 5, x plus y, and options are given here. Let us see what is the common difference, my dear. A2 minus A1. This is the formula we know very well. Now you substitute here. Common difference is equal to x minus y. So here x cancel, minus y. So minus y is the right answer. Do you think like this, my dear? No, this is wrong one. Why? Because most of the students may commit the mistake here only. As earlier also we have discussed about it. Listen here, once again I am going to do this. A2 minus A1, that is x minus y. So listen, my dear students, here x minus of x minus y must be taken. Why? Because here minus is there in between A2 minus A1. So here x minus x, minus into minus plus y. The symbols, the signs will be changed in this. Now X cancel. And finally you will get Y. So not minus 5, my dear. Y will be the right answer. Like this we need to do. In the same way, come to the 8th question. The common difference of an AP 2A minus B, 4A minus 3B, 6A minus 5B. Now we need to find common difference. Again the same, A2 minus A1. Let us do 4A minus 3B minus 2A. Because of here bracket is there, minus of minus, these symbols will be changed. Minus 2A and plus B. Directly I took here. Hope you understand this method. Now 4A minus 2A, 2A minus 3B plus B minus 2B. So 2A minus 2B. Where we have the option? Yeah, first one only the right answer. 2A minus 2B. Dear children, now we shall discuss about 9th and 10th question. What is the 9th question? In an AP, an is equal to n into n plus 3 divided by n plus 2. Then we need to find 17th term. That means A17. Here options are given, my dear. Now, this problem can be done by estimation. Means we need not to calculate, my dear. Simply we can assume. Here 17. 17 plus 2, 19. So denominator should be 19 here, my dear. So here we have 20. So this option is not possible. And here we have denominator 20. So this option is also not there. It means clearly from these two we may have any one of the right answer. First point. And second point is here n into n plus 3. That means 17 into 17 plus 3. What is 17 plus 3? 20 means round figure. Here 20 into 17. Most probably 340 will come. Why? Because in ones place we have 0. So it will be the right answer. That's it, my dear. It's very simple to do. Let us see whether our assumption is correct or not. A17 is equal to 17 into 17 plus 3 divided by 17 plus 2 is equal to 17 into 17 plus 3, 20 divided by 17 plus 2, 19 is equal to. So 0 as it is, 2 17s are 34 divided by 19. Observe here. So like this we can select the right option without any calculation. Fine. Now come to the 10th problem, my dear. If an is equal to n by n plus 1, then a 2022. So it is very easy, my dear. Just you substitute 2022 divided by 2022 plus 1. So 23. 2022 by 2023. Completed. I think it's very easy, my dear. So like this we can do. Need not to get any confusion by seeing a huge number here. Okay.